This is going to be a video tutorial on how to disable Copilot in Microsoft Excel. I will be using the Microsoft 365 app on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Excel here. I have Microsoft Excel opened up now. To disable Copilot in Excel, you want to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the File tab, click on File. Then you want to go down to where it says Options and click on Options. And in the dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, right here is Copilot. You want to click on Copilot. And then on the center pane area here, use Copilot. It says Enable Copilot requires restarting the app. If this box is checked, then you're enabling Copilot. If it is not checked, you're disabling Copilot, and any changes that you make, you want to restart the app. Down below that, there's a Learn More About Turning Off Copilot button there that you can click on to learn more about it. But to enable it or disable it, check the box or uncheck the box. Then you would want to go down to the bottom and click on OK. And if you made changes, then you want to restart your app. Thanks for watching.